learning farm animals.
What is it?
It's a chicken. Kids, do you know what are the benefits of chicken? Let's see. Chicken gives us A. Eggs, B. Meat, which is rich in protein and also good for heart.
What is it?
It's a horse. Kids, here comes a horse. Do you know what is the horse used for? They are used for A. Riding, B. Transport, C. Sports.
What is it?
It's a honeybee. Honeybees are used for A. Honey, B. Wax, C. Pollination.
What is it?
It's a pig. Kids, do you know what a pig used for? Let's see. Pigs are used for A. Meat, known as pork, B. Leather, C. Companionship.
Thank you. Like and subscribe for more videos.